Do you want to search for conversations in Messenger? You can easily find specific messages on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to search for conversations in Messenger. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Searching conversations in Messenger allows you to quickly find specific messages within a chat thread. This is especially useful when conversations get lengthy and you need to locate information from earlier messages. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can easily pinpoint the chat you're looking for. Here's how to search for a chat conversation in Messenger *. 1. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. 2. Once you're in Messenger, navigate to the chat you want to search. You can either tap on the chat from your list or use the search bar at the top of the home screen to find the person or group. 3. After opening the chat, tap on the name or info icon at the top of the conversation to access the menu. 4. Scroll down to the More Actions section and select Search in Conversation. 5. A search bar will appear at the top of the chat. Type in the message or keyword you want to search for, then tap the search icon on your keyboard. 6. Messenger will display relevant messages as you type, with your search term highlighted. Scroll through the results to find the specific conversation or message you're looking for. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for and find specific conversations in Facebook Messenger, making it much more convenient to locate past messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. And feel free to leave a comment in the section below.